It's not just a box, it's 12 days of joy, 12 days of glam, a full unboxing surprise to make every morning feel like Christmas. It's a beauty advent calendar filled with 12 surprise gifts, and you're about to open them. I designed various advent calendars that brands use to tell beautiful stories, drawer by drawer. This one's called 12 Moments of Moods, a limited edition Christmas countdown full of beauty, shine, and self-care. Day 1, a soft gel nail polish, the perfect start. Day 4, a bold red lipstick to light up any room. Day 5, a mascara made for holiday glam. From color palette to finishing touches, every part of this packaging is crafted to surprise and delight. To create this beauty advent calendar, I started with a Dieline and built everything in 3D, every fold, drawer, and detail. This gives my clients a full preview before it ever goes to print. It's not just a box, it's 12 days of joy, 12 days of glam, a full unboxing surprise to make every morning feel like Christmas. Love makeup advent calendars like this? Follow for more designs, reveals, and packaging magic.